Minebea Mitsumi's smart entry solution for tractors and other cab utility vehicles. Start off with a simple key fob, unlocking and locking. With the fob in range, we can also unlock and lock with just touch. When the fob is out of range, the touch features are not activated. For vehicle ignition, the fob needs to be in range. A start press bring main power but not start the engine. Press of the brake pedal and the start button will start our engine. And the press to stop. Now, when the fob is outside of the cabin, the engine will not start. The fob will need to be in range to start.